Assalamualaikum to all of you. I hope you all are safe and sound. Welcome back to my channel Hub of Learning 111. So today we are going to analyze another poem of Baba Bulle Shah. And the name of the poem is He Who is Stricken by Love. Okay, firstly, let's see the text of the poem. As you can see, the text of the poem is very short and it's very easy to understand. Language is very easy. Okay, so let's start the text of the poem. He who is stricken by love sings and dances out of tune. He who wears the garb of love gets blessing from above. Soon as he drinks from this cup, no questions and no answers remain. He who is stricken by love sings and dances out of tune. He who has the beloved in his heart is fulfilled with his love. No need he has for formality. He just enjoys his ecstasy. He who is stricken by love sings and dances out of tune. So, this is the text of the poem. Okay, now critically analyze the poem. So, this poem, in this poem, Baba Bulle Shah, he is talking about the power of love. He is talking about the transformative power of love. किस तरह ये लव हमें गैर रवायती काम करने पर मजबूर करता है. How it make us act unconventionally and how it brings us joy, how it brings us fulfillment and Allah Almighty's blessing or divine blessing. So this poem, it's a strong desire to connect with God, to connect with Allah Almighty or to connect with divine. So यहाँ पे कहते हैं कि किस तरह खुदा से मोहब्बत, किस तरह अल्लाह ताला से मोहब्बत आपको मुकम्मल तौर पर बदल देती है. एंड वो अपनी इस पोइट्री के थ्रू रीडर्स को इनकरेज कर रहे हैं कि वो अपने अंदर झांके. ठीक है, अपने अंदर झांके अल्लाह ताला के साथ एक कनेक्शन बिल्ड करें, एक क्लोज़र कनेक्शन बिल्ड करें और रूहानियत को तलाश करें. तो यहाँ पे वो रूहानियत को तलाश करने की तरगीब दे रहे हैं. नाउ हैव अ लुक एट द टाइटल ऑफ द पोइम, ही हु इज़ स्ट्रिकन बाय लव. Stricken, what does it mean? Stricken means deeply affected by love. It's just a sense of surrender. Surrender किसे कहते हैं? Give up करना. It gives a sense of helplessness. So the phrase stricken by love, it is often used to describe being smitten. Smitten means captivated by someone, captivated by love. So here he is emphasizing all-consuming nature of love. So the title of the poem, it shows the transformative nature of love. It shows the transformative aspects of the love. He who is stricken by love sings and dances out of tune. So he says that love can make us act irrationally. It can make us act unconventionally, even if we are not typically musical. So वो कहते हैं कि when a person he falls deeply in love, he forget about himself. He forgets about his reputation. He only cares about his beloved. He sings and dances without concerning that what kind of music he is playing. उस बारे में नहीं सोचता कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, उसकी रेपुटेशन ख़राब होगी, या वो अपने बारे में किसी चीज़ के बारे में नहीं सोचता. वो सिर्फ़ और सिर्फ अपने बिलवड के बारे में सोचता है. एंड ही सिंग्स एंड डांसेस विदाउट कंसर्निंग what kind of music he is playing. He dances for his beloved. He dances without thinking, without concerning what people will think about him. कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे, उसको इस बात की भी परवाह नहीं होती. His purpose is to dance, no matter what kind of music is playing behind him. And he has no concern with the beat, he has no concern with the sound, because he is in love with someone. So here he is talking about spiritual love. Baba Bulle Shah, he is talking about spiritual love, not worldly love. Then he says, he who wears the garb किसे कहते हैं? आउटफिट को, ठीक है, ड्रेस को. Garb of love, get blessings from above. So he says that when that person embodies love and when that person wears the garb of love, that person receive divine blessing. That person receive the blessing from Allah Almighty. Soon as he drinks from this cup, no question and answers remain. So here he is talking about drunkard person, a person who doesn't care about anyone. That person only cares about his beloved. And the poet says that when you have decided to take action for your beloved, then no if and but remains, no uncertainty remains. All uncertainty disappears. So these questions do not matter. Then he again says, "He who is stricken by love sings and dances out of tune." Then he says, "He who has the beloved in his heart is fulfilled with his love." He means to say that when we have love in our heart, when we have spiritual love in our heart, we feel satisfied, we feel complete. So here he gives an expression of God's love instead of worldly love. He says that when you are in love with Allah Almighty, then you don't need anyone else. Then you don't need anything. No need he has for formality. He just enjoy his ecstasy. Ecstasy किसे कहते हैं? Ecstasy means state of intense joy, or you can say a state of intense happiness. So he says that when a person who is deeply in love with Allah Almighty, then he don't need anything. He don't have to follow the rules of the world. His wish only to enjoy the state of uh, happiness, and he is least concerned with the world around him. So he has written three times in the poem, he sings and dances out of tune, which means that he was seriously affected by drums, he was seriously affected by tune, and he was seriously affected by beat. So this was the analysis of the poem, He Who Is Stricken by Love. And now you can see the main themes that are discussed in the poem. They are power of love, spiritual love, joy and ecstasy, connection with Allah Almighty, passion, intensity of love. So these are the major themes that are discussed in the poem. I hope you like the video. So if you want to keep in touch and see more content, be sure to follow and subscribe my channel Hub of Learning 111 so that you can stay up to date with my all latest videos. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Take care.